This cut crease hack, this really made my life so easier when I do my cut crease. You just need concealer, you just put it on the edge of a round lid will do. And stamp it in. Bam! That's it. So easy. I'm having a giveaway. One lucky winner will get 4 foundations. These are the newest foundations from Covergirl. Just check out the description box for the official rule. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Anneprettyness. Today's a video. It's gonna be a full face makeup tutorial. It's a blue eyeshadow and I will be featuring Covergirl in this video. Drugstore, baby, drugstore. So if you guys want to know how I created the look, here is the video. Alright, to start with, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Pomade. I know it sounds like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. That's what I use. So to compare with, this CoverGirl is softer and lighter, so it's more natural looking. And then to fill in the gaps, I'm going to be using this Easy Breezy Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 715 Honey Brown. And of course, for the brows to look better, I'm cleaning the edges using a concealer. Blending it, and I'm using this Artiste brush. This is from the Elite Smoke collection, Oval 4. Alright, to start off with the eye makeup, I'm using this Lid Lockup Primer. This is from CoverGirl, and blending it with the Artiste brush. And then I'm going to be applying this white one from the True Naked Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. This Givenchy in the shade Rose Dentil. I really love this for my crease area. It is so brown, so natural looking on me. I'm using this Katy Kat palette. I really love this palette from Katy Perry collection. It's really very good. Alright, now we go to the fun part. This is the cut crease hack. This really made my life so easier when I do my cut crease. You just need a round lid and then a concealer. You just put it on the edge of the lid. Any round lid will do. And stamp it in. Bam! That's it. So easy. It really made my life so easy doing the cut crease, and it's perfect every time. You just have to, don't put so much pressure though. Be light hand when you're doing it, and then just try it. You'll see what I'm saying. And then I'm using this Katy Perry collection. This is the Cool Cat eyeshadow palette. I really love this palette, and I am even using it when I go to beauty events. So it's a really good quality. Try it. To tight line, I'm using this YSL Yves Saint Laurent. This is the I Do a Smoker number 3. This is brown. And then for my eyeliner, I'm using this Sigma, which is my super favorite. This is the Wicked Shell Liner. And applying this liquid liner on top. So I thought this blue liquid liner will look good, but then I changed my mind. So I went ahead and put this black eyeshadow as a liner, and then on the inner corner I'm using this Estee Lauder and using this Peacock Flare mascara from CoverGirl. And then I thought maybe I should put this blue mascara. This is from YSL Yves Saint Laurent, but this one, when it dries out, it's also dark, like dark as black. Alright, now let's go to the face. I'm using this CoverGirl Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. This is a tinted moisturizer. And then I'm applying this TruBlend Correcting Palette. First one, I'm using the yellow for the under eye, and then the green one for the redness. The lavender to the places where I wanted to highlight. And blending it with a fluffy brush. And then for my foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty and the Charlotte Tilbury. I love mixing foundations and concealer together. I don't know why, but I find it better. I don't know why. And then for my concealer, I'm using this Vitalist from CoverGirl, mixing it with my YSL Yves Saint Laurent All Hours Concealer. This is in the shade Honey. I told you I love mixing products together. And of course, gotta set it with a loose powder. And you guys, I just want to tell you about this compact powder. It is really one of my most favorite from all the products that they send me. It is really so good. One of my most favorite CoverGirl products. And of course, for my bronzer, I'm using this Hula bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. And also from Benefit Cosmetics, I'm using this Gold Rush blush on. For my highlighter, I'm applying this Vitalist Glow highlighter. It's a cream highlighter. It's really gonna make your highlights pop. And then I'm using this powder highlighter from Laura Mercier, and then the fun brush from Laura Mercier. This highlighter is in the shade Devotion. Look at that highlight, girl. Yes, yes, yes. And of course, for my liquid lipstick, I'm using this CoverGirl. This is in the shade Current Nude. This is so lightweight. It feels so good. And ta-da! Here's a finished look. I really encourage you to try that cut crease hack. It really made my life easier for doing cut crease. Try it, especially if you have like a transparent, clear container, round container. Try it. It's really gonna make your life easier. And if someone from Covergirl is watching this, thank you so much for that huge box. Oh my god, it is here behind me. I already displayed it, this one. This is how my background looks like, if in case anyone just wants to see. Thank you so much, Covergirl. I really love it. And I am so impressed with the products. And also, I just wanted to show you quickly this very huge package that I got recently. This is the Covergirl TruBlend Map Made Foundations. It's gonna give you my quick review on these foundations because I've been using this for a week now. I was able to attend the launch party here in Los Angeles, so luckily I got some of these. First of all, the best thing with this foundation is it has 40 color selection. Like each and every person will really be able to pick her color. It's also so easy to know your shade because they already put the shade range. So L for light, and then there's M for medium, and then there's tan, and then there's deep. Each has 10 different shades. Alright, I'm gonna insert the video here. I just filmed this because I used the foundation today. I'm using the primer. This is the pore minimizing, which I love more than the neutralizing. Green is the neutralizing. Alright, for my shade, I'm using M50. This is not my shade. I know it's a little bit darker on me. I love tan, so yeah, this is the first layer. It is medium coverage, you guys can see. I'm gonna apply one more layer. So this is buildable, but it does not make your look cakey. On this side, I'm gonna use my Artis brush. I really love this brush. It's flawless in application, but at the end of the day, I still prefer my sponge because I can wash it. I love the finish of this. It's matte, but it's not dull matte, if you know what I mean. It does not accentuate my little bumps, and yeah. And for my under eye, I'm using the Covergirl concealer because with my case, I don't use the foundation for the under eye. It does not look good on me. Of course, my favorite setting spray, this Covergirl setting spray. So here's how it looks like. Okay, let me tell you, at the end of the night, it stays put. This is the kind of foundation that the longer you wear it, the more it blends in the skin, if you know what I mean. Alright, you guys, if you want to join the giveaway, it's so easy. You just have to comment down below what is one more CoverGirl product that you would like to receive together with the 4 foundations. And then of course you must be my subscriber, and then go to my Instagram. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. You have to tag friends there, and also you must be a follower, and that's it. You are entered. Just check the description box so that you won't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. If it is, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget, choose to do good whenever you can. It's always for the better. Bye. Have a good one. God bless you.